Hey everyone, welcome back to the video. In today's video, I'll show you how to fix Apple ID and signed in problems on iPhone in simple and easy steps. Step 1. Check your internet connection. Now open settings, then cellular data or Wi-Fi. Make sure you are connected to the internet before signing in. Step 2. Verify Apple ID and password. Now go to settings and tap sign in to your iPhone. Carefully re-enter your Apple ID and password. Check for typing errors or wrong capitalization. Step 3. Restart your iPhone. Press and hold the power button plus volume button. Then slide to power off, wait a few seconds, then turn your iPhone back on. This clears temporary sign-in glitch. Step 4. Update iOS. Now go to settings, then general, then software update. Now install any available updates as they may fix sign-in issues. Step 5. Reset network settings. Now go to settings, then general, then transfer reset iPhone, then reset. Now tap reset network settings, then reconnect to Wi-Fi and try signing again. And that's how you can fix Apple ID and sign-in problems on iPhone. Also follow these steps and your Apple ID should sign in without any problem. And that's it. I hope you like this video. If you find this video helpful, drop a like, subscribe to our channel. See you in the next video.